In today's video, we're gonna be seeing how long it takes to trade a noobini pizza nini till a strawberry elephant. So let's go. Bro, can this guy actually just leave me alone? Well, I'm just trying to do my video right here. Ooh, let me spin this. Like at 250k. Nothing that good. But what am I trying to steal? Look, bro, I just want to trade. Why does no one want to trade, man? Come on. For anyone. But this is the hardest part. Getting someone to actually trade for my noobini. Bro. Okay, let's go into a different server now. Okay, we're in a different server now, so hopefully anyone's got a good trade for a noobini. What, bro? I was about to say, was that like a divine pot hotspot? Come on, why are you trading for my noobini, please? Yes, yes, yes. Oh my days! Oh my days! Well, oh, he had them all in diffused, man. But why couldn't that guy just accept the trade, man? Should we go, Carmelo? Come on, come on. Get ready, get ready. This would be a huge upgrade, guys. Let's go, bro. We got my first trade. Come on. Yes, let's go! No way. Off we go, Carmelo. I'm gonna move that upstairs so no one can take it, but let's go. Bro! Can I just move my brain more? Like, man, it's just a free go. Just let me move it in peace. Ah, this guy. It's just a free go, Carmelo, bro. Oh my days. This guy really does not want me to get a free go. Bro, just let me get my free go. Go, 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 go. Yes! Let's go. Oh my days! Will this guy actually just let me get my free go upstairs? Oh, I'm just gonna leave this. Okay, well that was just crazy. This guy wouldn't let me go. Just put my free go. There we go. At least I can put my free go up now. Hey, we're doing pretty good. We got free go Carmelo now. Not really the best, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Also, if any of you guys want to trade like anything, I'll be down to trade. But you better put like a good offer in. Well, there's basically no one with anything good in here. Everyone in here doesn't have anything good. Ooh, this could be nice. So let's go to 444. This might be able to give me something good. Here we go, Carmelo. Wait, no, did he leave, bro? Oh no, I have to check the real name. Okay, I sent her one. But why are we trying to steal this? I can't even move. Wee, 444. Don't even know where I'm going. But God, I just wanna like... Oh, no. Well, why am I trying to steal anyways? Not both for stealing. I need to be trading. Well, does no one have anything they can trade? Ooh, baddie. Baddie. Oh my days. Baddie. Who's the other person called? Playground. Okay, I put the wrong one. Center. Ooh. Here we go, Camelo. What would you want to trade? Ooh, I want to see if this guy... Oh, this guy has a free go, Camelo. What's his name? Be it. Come on. Trade. Come on, accept my trade request. Accept my trade request, come on. Come on. Where is he? Go, send. Both you got Camelo, what do you want? Yes. Paul, let's go. You might be able to get Giraffe Celestre.